So my facelift philosophy, basically, it's kind of rooted in the understanding of how people age. As we age, basically, there are mostly three things that happen. One is there are changes in our skeleton, like our skull, the bones change, the eye socket becomes more oval, the cheekbones, they rotated this way. We lose some bone along the jaw. So those changes will change the support for the soft tissue, so the ligaments and the muscles. Also, the ligaments and the muscles, they tend to relax, and that's what leads to sagging, jowls, neck bands, the cheeks sag. It exposes the orbital rim, and you have those dark shadows under your eyes. And the third thing that happens is a deflation in terms of there's some loss of fat on the face in certain areas, particularly around the eyes. So my philosophy is just to restore their youthful appearance in a natural way, basically bringing back things where they used to be, which is why, my facelift approach involves most of the time doing a deep plane facelift with fat transfer. This way is the way that we're going to basically be able to deliver the most natural result for the patient. And typically what that means is moving the tissues more up than back. When patients go in the mirror and, when they do this at home, nobody's doing this at home, everybody's doing this, and if you pay attention to the movement here, we're going up or more up than back, He ends up being about a 70-degree, type of angle, but that's really the way to deliver a natural looking result. The other part of it is, so natural is the number one, and we have had the ability to do that for a while. The second thing is to deliver this consistently, and this comes with experience, It actually comes by looking at the patient, like here in the consultation room, and really seeing what do we need to do to achieve that natural appearance. And then obviously having the experience to execute that well. And the last frontier is really having patients recover quickly. And that's kind of like what's really exciting about, modern facelift surgery.